Good morning, YouTube, and happy Monday to you. And also, happy to you. This is the before. We're here in beautiful Jacksonville, Florida. And we're going to be doing landscape cleanup, lawn repair, some custom landscaping, it is the last couple days of April. I'm gonna try to post this today, so there'll be two parts to this video, a before and an after. We're going to repair this sod. We're going to replace the bad parts, and we're going to aerate the lawn. There's a lot of compaction happening, and so we're going to have to use an aerator to break it up. This soil is not very good, so we're going to bring some nutrient in to supplement the soil. These guys and their big old feet have been compacting the soil. Yes, I'm talking about you guys. I think they know I'm talking about them. You see, I got a crow up there, some other type of bird. See him? I think he agrees. See, he agrees with me. He's telling me. He's saying the point of the problem out here. See, he's making his comments, and so it's pretty clear what's happening out here. The soil is being compacted by these guys and their big old feet, so we're gonna have to aerate it. We're gonna have to aerate it in the areas where we're gonna be able to save the soil. You're right. The crow is making this point. We're going to be adding a bottle brush tree. We install a lot of those. Bottle brush is a very durable tree for Northeast Florida. The areas where there's no sod, we're going to just accept there's no sod and burn it out and put in some pine straw. I wonder how you guys are going to react to us putting pine straw out here. So we're going to put some pine straw out there. Update this edging. Get all of this caught up. Yes, your grass will eat your driveway. I remember we used to edge back in the day with a shovel. And then they came out with that technology. They had that little, like a ninja star wheel deal. What do you call that? I think they still sell those. This is the long before. There'll be a long after too, I guess. Stay tuned for sure. Subscribe for more. Go to Instagram, Florida Pro Lawn Care. Subscribe, share. Till next time. Peace.